do have an extra 20% off. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Kim Koo. I'm thinking we're gonna go to the, or I'm gonna go and you guys can follow. I'm gonna go to the Nike Clearance Center out in Santa Clarita. It's only like 15 minutes away from our house. So yeah, let's go see how it goes. We are here. We are at the Nike Clearance Center out in Santa Clarita. I've never filmed here before, so let's see if we get yelled at. See if I get kicked out, and let's see if they hate on me because I'm wearing some Adidas gear today. So let's see what happens, you guys. We do have an extra 20% off all footwear, it looks like. It's pretty cool. Let's go check out my size, the 10s. Let's go check out the 10. Oh, this place, by the way, has two sides for the 10s, 2 full rows. So there is quite a lot. Air Force composites. Looks like all Force. $60, 20% off. Damn. Let's check out the Jordan. They do got all kinds of good stuff here. 270s. Weird color, but $60. $60. Just do some Vaporflies, Flyness, but going for retail, 20% off. Some Jordan 9 retro boots, $129. Ooh, I might have to look at these. Yeah, they actually got all kinds of them boots. Look. All kinds of the Jordan 9 retro boots. That's some Zoom all outs. $80 plus 20% off. Dang. I got all kinds of good stuff. I'm gonna end up buying something. Some more 270s, $129, 20% off. Air Force 1 full composites, 100. These are the high tops though, high tops. Air Max 1s, these are kind of sweet. 85. We got some Vapor Max 95 reflectives. These are sick. Got some Jordan 1 with the strips. Weird. So we're in the running shoe area. Look at these. Got the Pegasus 35 shields. Got the Odyssey React shield. $50. $50 for Odyssey React shield. $50 plus 20% off. So it's 20% off. That comes up to what? $8, $42. Damn, what a steal! That's a steal right there. I have a bunch of Vapor Max 2019, $130, 30% off. We're still on the size 10s. We got some Air Max 95, $95. That's a pretty good deal. EXP 14s. These are the shoes with the React on them. Casual shoes with React. $69. We are in the size 10 now. I thought they had some Jordan 10s here. They tricked us. So the Jordan Max or Aurora. What else? Excuse me. What else we got? 312s. In for $89. Not a fan of those. Nothing really in the Jordan section out here. Nothing in the Jordan section. Yeah, SBs. Any SBs here? Not really. $95. Ooh, these are kind of cool. It's kind of interesting. 110. What are these? Air Max 97s. Look different. They look different. Metcons. More Vapor Max 129. Some Vomero 14s. These are some sick running shoes. React. Got some React with Zoom. Jordan 10 Retros. A bunch of them too. Got some Futures. Futures going for 90. Got a bunch of them. Retro 10s. Some more of the double strap ones. Those look weird. 74. With the Air Max 97s for 100. Dang, this is crazy. 80 bucks. 100 bucks, but 20% off. That is crazy. That's a crazy good deal. It's only in size 11 though. Not my size. Not my size. Got some ADPEs. Not a fan of that color. Not really a fan of that shoe. More reflectives. And not much else going on here. They do have a bunch of the Odyssey Reacts. Those are kind of old, I guess, so they're making their way to that list. Epic React Flyknits, 90 bucks. Not bad. Zoomfly Flyknit. Zoomfly Flyknit. Which have React, unlike the other Zoomflies. Weird naming system. Let me check out some other sizes. So I'm just roaming around. I think I'm in size 12. Size 12. They actually have. Look what I see. They actually got 720 Saturns. I believe these are sold out. Yeah, look. 100 bucks. 100 bucks, dude. That is a crazy good deal. Crazy good deal. Not my size though. Not my size. All the resellers out in full force. All the resellers out in full force. Look at all them bags everywhere. All them bags everywhere. We are in the size 8 of the women's. I feel like they really don't have much stuff for women here. I check for my girl every once in a while, but I don't think I've ever found nothing here for her. What the hell are these? Air Force One High, Sage High, what, 90 bucks? Oh, these are some rain boots or something? It is rubber material. Rain boots, Air Force rain boots, I guess. Not really much, you guys, not really much. Wait, hold that thought. Look at these. Jordan 13 Retros. These are the retro dark raisin. 99, not bad. 99. Plus 20% off. Plus 20%. 80 bucks. That's about it. Some Air Max 95s. Air Max 75 bucks. Like a purple, oil gray, weird color. I'm in the women's section, size 11.5. This is actually the men's equivalent to size 10. That is a trick. Look at this, like the Odyssey React. They look the exact same as the guys. Even the shape, like very similar to the guys. Doesn't look too narrow or anything. 40 bucks. 40 bucks, you guys, 40 bucks. Look, and then they even got the size 11s. I just tried them on. They're a little bit tight, but Pegasus Turbo. Color kind of sucks, but like a pinkish shoe. But look, 90 bucks for, normally go for 180, 90 bucks. I tried them, they are a little tight. I would have gotten them, but I have some green ones. Pegasus 35 Turbos. These are the sickest shoes ever. But 90 bucks, not bad, but they don't fit, unfortunately, don't fit. Could try the size 12, maybe. Green with a little pink. I don't know, might have to think about it, I'm in the kids section now. They got some, they got the shadows, the 10 shadows. $75. The retro 13s. I have no clue what colorway that is. So is that black light olive? What black light olive? So what's this? Some retro 4s. The laser pattern or something. With the Black History Month. Black History Month. Retro 2s. $79. Not bad, not bad. Oh, low foam posits, $100, man. Little steep. Oh, LeBron's 85. It's crazy. Size 5s, Jordan 8s. Jordan 8s for $70. Let's see what else. Got some KDs, more monies. Feel like they got better stuff in the kid size. Size 5, size 6. Some Cortez, maybe $30, man. Feel like they got the best shit out in the kids section. No better than the adult section. Some more Black History Month. Some more Jordan 13s, black and olive. Some Air Force One Volt. The size 10 again, dude. These paperbacks are crazy cheap. $129 plus 20% off, dude. That's shit. So 113, 26, so under $110. Like 104 or something. And that is crazy. Checking out some apparel now. What the fuck is this? Straight up sheepskin pants or something. That's crazy. I was making fun of that sheepskin pants, but look, apparently they got a whole section. Look, all Jordan stuff, and it's cheap. Look at that, $40. But the regular retail's like $100 on the side. Oh, yeah, $100. You can kind of see through it. $100. They don't really have that much of a sale on the apparel today. Just, not that many sale tags. Certain sections have 30% off and stuff, but not really worth looking too much into. Not really worth it, guys. Not today. Didn't come nothing today. Kind of done for the day. The resellers were out like crazy today. I've never seen them. Never seen so many resellers there. People were a lot of the resellers were getting what were they getting? The LeBrons. They were getting the LeBron Toy Story. They had a bunch of them. They had like 8 or 9 pair, and the resellers were taking them out of the hands of the workers right when they were restocking a bunch of them. They're selling for like $100. Checked on eBay. They're selling for like $100 a piece. They were selling them for like 65 plus the 20% off, which brings that down to like 50 something. So they're making $50 a pair, and they had like 8, 9 pair. So not bad. But yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to find nothing. I did buy 2 pair of shoes yesterday at the Adidas outlet, so can't really complain. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Try to get me a couple of subscribers, and hopefully I can continue to bring you guys awesome content. Thanks.